been told to love myself.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you exactly how I prepare my skin for the night. Obviously all of this makeup comes off and I'll show you the products that I use to keep my skin fresh and hydrated and good for the next day. So if you are interested to see how I prepare my skin for, and this is my skin routine for the evening, please keep watching. First things first, the lashes come off as such, and now I'm going to remove all my makeup. You have it everybody, soft supple skin, very hydrated and all ready for bed. Now all I need to do is put on my pajamas and it's time to say goodnight. So on that note, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell, and I shall see you again shortly. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and good night.